What if I told you your Android phone is quietly collecting information about you every single day, and the feature responsible is probably turned on right now? Almost nobody knows about it. In this video, I'll show you the hidden setting to disable it in under a minute, and one extra setting at the end that most people completely miss. First of all, open Settings. Scroll down to bottom and open About Phone. Here, select Software Information. In Software Information, you will see Build Number option. Tap it 7 times to enable Developers Mode. After tapping 7 times, you can see notification that Developers Mode is enabled. Now go back in Settings. In Search bar, type Developer Options. Open it. Scroll down. Under Demo Mode, you will see Quick Settings, Developer Tiles. Here, you will see Sensors Off button. Turn it off. Now go back to your phone's home screen. Scroll down Main Menu. Here you will see Sensor Off icon. If you will keep it on, all spy options like camera access, microphone access, recordings, and all sensors that provide your data to different websites will close automatically. So we will turn it on. Now I will open Camera, and you can see Security Policy prevents use of camera. So if you want to use camera, microphone, or other sensors, you can turn off it from Main Menu. Then you can use it. Doing so will keep you protected from hackers as well as websites that track your data. Second settings to protect you from malware softwares and spying apps is to open Settings. Here, select Security and Privacy. Scroll down and you will see Auto Blocker. Turn it on to protect your phone from malware websites. Now go back, scroll down, and select More Privacy Settings. On top, you will see Personal Data Intelligence. Turn it off. Under it, you will see Send Diagnostic Data option. Turn it off also. Under it, turn off Android Personalization Services as well. Now scroll at the bottom and select Usage and Diagnostics. If you will read under it, it says Help improve your device experience by automatically focus on word automatically. Mean without your permission, it send diagnostic, device and app usage data to Google. Under it, you can see turning off this feature doesn't affect your device ability. So we will keep it off. And that's it. In just a minute, you've disabled a hidden feature that many Android users don't even realize is collecting information. But this is only one of several privacy settings most people never change. I'll be revealing the rest in upcoming videos, so if you don't want to miss them, subscribe and turn on notifications.